Congratulations to me. I just created this police character in 5 views, and I'll be showing you how I created it and how you can animate this police character. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll show you how to download this police character and the Moho software for free so that you can follow along with this tutorial. Okay, and also please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be notified. Please, creating this character is not easy. Please tell me congratulations in the comment section. It's not easy. So guys, I've already created this police character in the 4 views. It has front view, side view, 3/4 view, and all these views. If you want to download this character and this Moho software, check the comment section. Use the link in the comment section to purchase and download the Moho Pro software and this police character project file so that you can start using it to create content. As you can see, I added bone rigging to this character, so that means you can animate this character using the bone. Okay, so with this bone now you can be able to make animation move. You can make this character to move the leg, to kick, because it has boning already in it. Okay, and all of them have been rigged. Okay, so you can do head turn. So you see the way I'm doing head turn. You can also bend the bone anyhow you want and the thing will animate. You see, so boning makes animation very easily. Okay, so that's what I did to all these characters. Okay, and also I added actions. So this character, I added a walk cycle to this character, meaning that this character can walk. Okay, you see the character is already walking. So I added a also run cycle. The character can run. So if you want to use this character, you can use it to animate. So this is the back view. The same thing, I added the bone, so you can move the character anyhow you want to move the character, and the character will bend along. You see, so that was what I did. So it has all the views complete. So once you download this character now, you can start animating with it. Like, you don't need to stress yourself drawing, going through the process of rigging and every other thing, because I've already done all those things for you. So for those of you that want to learn animation and want to start creating cartoon content, cartoon videos, I have animation class where I will teach you how to create your own characters and how to animate, whether on your phone or laptop. So if you want to join my animation class, use the link in the comment section. Okay, and then join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me, okay, for my animation class. And I'm going to teach you how to create characters and how to create cartoon videos and how to monetize your content and start earning money in dollars once you join my animation class. Okay, so use the link in the comment section to join us. So basically, so the back view, I added a jump cycle. So if you download this character now, you will be getting all this action. You will see where I added a jump cycle. So that means your character can jump when you want to animate this character. Your character can, you can make it to jump by just pressing the action and then it will start jumping. Okay, so one benefit you will have if you want to download this character, or if you want to get the Moho Pro software, just use the link in the comment of this video to download and purchase this character. You also get the Moho software for free. Okay, if you need more cartoon characters, I can create characters and rig it for your animation project. So use the link in the comment section to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. I'll create characters for you. I hope you are following along with this tutorial. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you have not followed this page up till now, please do so. Click on the follow button to follow this page for more tutorials every week, because I'm uploading new video every week. So please follow this page. So you can see with the boning, I was able to make this character to bend anyhow I want. So the animation is bone rigging. Okay, but in my animation class, I will teach you the easiest way to animate digitally with switch selection and bone rigging, which make animation very easy. So even if you are using phone or laptop, my animation class will teach you everything step by step. How to create characters and how to start creating cartoon videos, 2D animations and 3D animation. So you can join my animation class and learn in a very good way. Okay, So guys, so this character now, you see all of them have been rigged with bone, so you can start to use it to animate. I created this character basically if you want to animate, let's say, a animated video or a comedy video whereby you need police character for acting in a scene. You can use this character, based on the story you are telling. You can use any views, front views, back views. So this character now, okay, so if you want to get it, use the link in the comment section. With that link, you'll be able to purchase this character, okay, and then download the project file, okay, and it has all the views in that, so you are buying everything at once. Okay, so guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment, follow this page, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.